We're talking with Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures, and now let's shift our focus. Let's take a look at our livestock trade here, Oliver, and we'll begin here with the live cattle board. Our quotes are provided by Bar Chart. We are mixed. We have the nearbys a little bit firmer. It's nothing great shakes today, that's for sure. October just up 17 cents, so 145.85. The biggest mover is December, going up 32 cents at 151.30. But next summer, or spring and summer, the months are a little bit weaker way out there. Over on the feeder cattle trade, now we have turned lower. So interesting. We have October feeders now 75 lower at 184.82. And this is after we hit a high this morning of 186.20. So somebody let the air out of that balloon today. It's off of its earlier high by about $1.50 now. November feeders down 62 cents. So a little reversal action taking place in the feeders after the open. Lean Hogs, after we had some big gains last Friday, we have October now down $1.57 today at 91.60. But again, I'll reiterate the fact that I believe twice last week we had a hard sell-off on the lean hogs, especially on the nearbys, only to have them come back and then rally sharply before the end of the day. So, Oliver, I don't know if you can trust that lean hog market through the course of the day or not.
You know, I wrote about that exact same thing last week, talking about the big sell-off on Thursday morning and then the reversal Thursday afternoon, which spilled into some strength on Friday afternoon, and what caused the drop and then the pop. And it's just the lean hog market being the lean hog market. I wouldn't buy too much into any of the headlines that you're seeing out there other than just trading activity. We are pretty upbeat on the lean hog market here in the near to intermediate term. There's a bullish June hog seasonal that we like, so I think there's more upside. The fact that we rejected that low trade on Thursday morning is encouraging, but we really need to see the market get out above the top end of the range to make us feel a little bit more comfortable with being a little bit on the bullish side here.
Yeah, that has been kind of sideways bound here for a better part of, what, about 3 weeks or so. What about over on the live cattle? Now, here we have had a bit of an upward grind. It sold off a little bit, not too much, and then it's back up there testing recent highs again. Is it decision time on live cattle today?
Yeah, live cattle has had a heck of a performance here over the last couple of weeks. We were hoping for a little bit lower price action to get us set up into a bullish stance. There's a bullish seasonal that starts for April live cattle on September 22nd. So we were hoping for lower prices to get better value into that seasonal, but they're kind of bucking the trend here and are continuing to grind higher. I think some of that momentum in the live cattle markets may be coming from the back of the outside markets, which are kind of risk on, I guess you would say today, with outside markets indices being up 1% to 2%.
Okay, well, appreciate all that insight into the markets. Good to talk with you again. And Oliver, good luck riding through the report today. Appreciate that a lot. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures.